Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI. Do you want the secret to perfectly grilled or smoked meat? It is this thermometer from BFOUR. This thermometer is a wireless Bluetooth thermometer that has changed our smoking and grilling game. I love this thermometer because it's so easy to use. It helps us to reach that perfect meat tenderness temperature, and it alerts us when our food is ready. Now, what's really cool about this thermometer is it comes with 6 different probes. The different probes came in so handy when we had 3 different types of meat that we were smoking over a long period of time. It measured each cut individually, which was great because they were all of varying thickness and had to be cooked for different temperatures and times. Another really cool feature is this is Bluetooth. So it comes with an app that you can use, or of course you can just measure the temperature straight from the main device here. Using the app was super helpful because we were smoking meat in the middle of winter. So we were able to monitor the grill from the inside, even though it was outside. We were able to select the type of meat and desired doneness, and then let this thermometer kind of do the rest. It alerted us when it reached our desired temperature with a notification on the app, and on the device itself, it actually lets off a nice alarm. So if you're outside, you definitely will hear the alarm. We've used this meat thermometer on venison, on beef, and on pork, and in all instances, the meat has been so tender and delicious. We especially love using it when we're smoking for a long period of time, so we can just kind of keep an eye but continue on with our business too. So if you're looking for the perfect grill assistant or maybe a gift for the grill lover in your life, check this meat thermometer out. But that's just my point of view.